This problem says to justify, but what I want you to start with is just to draw the two triangles. So that's what I'm going to do. And it says that they are right triangles, and it tells us even exactly where the right angle is. So that's rather convenient. So we don't necessarily know that they are congruent. That's why I drew them different sizes. So it says angle B and angle E are the right angles. So SBT and WEX. All right, so letter A says if S is congruent to W. So let me just go ahead and mark that. If S is congruent to W, what can be said about angle T and angle X? All right, well, I hope you can see that they have to be congruent to one another, because if two angles of a triangle are congruent to one another, then the third ones have to be congruent as well. So we can say this, and rather than a long, complicated answer, like you'll see in the key, all I want from you is just one of the triangle similarity theorems, and that is angle, angle, similarity theorem. Okay, what can be said about T and X? They are congruent by the angle-angle similarity theorem. Okay, so now we're going to back up and say if angle T is congruent to angle X, I'm going to use a different color this time. If angle T is congruent to angle X, what can be said about angle S and angle W? Well, same thing. They would also have to be congruent. Congruent by angle, angle, similarity theorem. And that's that.